Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on the London Underground. First, make sure Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone or Apple Watch with a valid debit or credit card. It's crucial that your preferred payment card is linked to your Apple Wallet and ready to go. Also, always check your device's battery life before you travel. You don't want to run out of power mid-journey. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your trip. When you're ready to travel, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch flat against the yellow card reader at the Underground gate. It's vital to use the exact same device and payment card for both tapping in and tapping out. This ensures you're charged the correct fare, preventing a maximum fare charge. Look for the green light and listen for a single beep to confirm your tap has been successful. It's quick and easy. Using Apple Pay for your journey means you'll pay the same fare as a contactless bank card or an Oyster card. A fantastic benefit is that daily and weekly fare capping automatically applies, provided you consistently use the same device and payment card for all your taps. This means you'll never pay more than the daily or weekly cap for your travel. Plus, there's no need to worry about topping up a separate travel card. Your fare is simply charged to your linked bank card. Here are a few important tips for a seamless experience. Always use the same device and the same payment card for every tap-in and tap-out during your journey. This is crucial for accurate fare calculation. For iPhone users, consider enabling Express Transit in your wallet settings. This allows you to tap and go without needing to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, making your journey even faster. And remember, a charged device is essential for travel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.